Okay, so I've got the Accucraft Lawley 16mm live steam model. I thought we're going to get one out of the box. I thought we'd do an unboxing video of this one as well. Such a nice model. Quite big compared to some of the smaller models that we've done. And also a tender loco, which is always good. So we'll take a look, see what you get in the box. But once I get it out of its outer box, not the easiest thing to do. There we go. It's just coming out. Yeah. There we go. And there we go. We've got the assembly instructions. And the boiler test certificates, the gas tank and boiler test, and also this beautiful assembly instructions. It gives you all the parts of the models. Let's have a look inside. Okie dokie. Well, they're beautifully packed like normal. Lots of foam rubber protecting that paintwork. This one is the light green lined version. Got the 45mm front wheel set here on bogie. All of your tools and additional parts in one pack. There's a tender on one side, locomotive on the other. There's the tender. Now, this is such a high detail model. It's going to be nice and careful. Don't damage anything as we pull it all apart. So it's gauge convertible, gas fired. As you can see, it's got a huge amount of detail on it. All these beautiful little lost wax castings and the copper pipe work. It's all dummy, but it really makes this model look incredibly well detailed. Twin safety valves, the little whistle. Amazing. Let me get it on the bench. Gas tank on this model is mounted in the tender. It has this little water jacket so you can add tepid water just to keep that gas flowing nicely. Oh, there you go. Have a little look inside here. I might need to undo those screws to see the gas tank. You can see you've got a little gas valve here. Lots of all this beautiful fine rivet detail. The fake coal. This is the lined light green version. lovely middle. So I'll just show you where the gas tank is on here. You've got, well, where all of the different parts of the model are. You've got your two little lubricators here. You unscrew those screws and that's where you put your steam oil in. And then inside the tender, these two screws here are dummy screws. They just hold the top of this tender in place. So you can lift out all of your fake coal. And inside here's your gas tank. It sits inside this water jacket. The idea of the water jacket is you've put tepid water in there, just stops this tank from freezing. And on the front of the tender, this little brake handle is actually your gas valve. So once you've gassed through the gas tank, turn on the gas valve and you can light it. That's how you adjust your burner. And then the other parts inside the Loco are your regulator, forward and reverse, your water gauge with your water blow down so you can blow the bubbles out of your water gauge, pressure gauge, the Goodall valve, and last but not least is your two safety valves on the front. They're preset pop valves. You should be able to open up the front, look inside, and you'll be able to look down the flue to see your burner when it's lit.